welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I post, and finally I'm posting again. And today we're gonna making lollipops. Okay, here's the thing what we need: 1 tablespoon of syrup or any kind of juice, and 2 tablespoons of water, and 100 grams of sugar, and finally 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. So let's start. So my mom's heating the sugar and water together. So, and we also need mold and lollipop sticks. And you can also use whatever decoration you want, sprinkles or beads. Okay, so my mom's heating them first, and we'll come back when you're already done. And you need also a candy thermometer, and the temperature is 300 Fahrenheit. Okay, so as you can see, my mom's now pouring the batter into the silicone mold. And you guys, you can use silicone molds. If you use plastic mold, it can melt. Okay, now for the fun part, my favorite part, is you can decorate. And you guys, be careful. It's really hot. Okay, now for my favorite part, we'll decorate. I'll decorate with sprinkles, and we have to do it quick, otherwise the candy will turn hot. And you guys, be careful. It's really hot. Okay, now for my favorite part, we'll decorate. I'll decorate with sprinkles, and we have to do it quick, otherwise the candy will turn hot. Guys, here's a closer look of my candies, and we're done decorating. Now let's let it set for 10 to 15 minutes, and it should be done. So guys, it had now been 15 minutes and they're dry. Let's get them out. Oh, so cute. Let's try them. Wow, beautiful butterflies. So cute. Ooh, sprinkles. Kind of fall a little. Ooh, this one's kind of still sticky. I'll put it back. What's this one? This one's good. This one's still it's still hot. This one's a little hot and still sticky. This one also. But I think this one's ready. Yep. See, I did a swirl too. Okay guys, that is the end of the video, and I hope you guys like and stay sweet. Bye!